Welcome to the Easy channel, and let's start for today.
And there are also assorted cups and bowls. Wood. No, too light. The lanky mage holds up his hand, fingers up, waves a tempo, then starts.
Is it hard to look at the road ahead? The next two videos are hit and run video.
Oh, they're just driving away. Holy shit.
He caused an accident and just ran away.
Record like a video, take a video.
Look out for the blue pickup. It might not have insurance. Try to avoid the accident, but not head on directly into the other car. You should be predictable and watch cars around you. Make a good assessment before you turn.
Greetings. This is great. I am thrilled and
Either from right or left, a tank always got the right of way.
So at this point, that's what the information they're working with. This still remains a very active scene. They have to shelter in place. So all these folks who live in these buildings right here, most of them have not been able to come out since this has happened because they're not even letting cars leave some of these.